Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some new glitches to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, taking a quick look at our insert schedule. Today is May the 29th, so in today's Sunday newspapers, we should be receiving the new June P&G inserts. And just in case y'all missed it, I did upload a video yesterday going over the new Dollar General ad for this week and the new P&G insert. And in that video, I'm also doing a giveaway. So make sure that y'all go and check it out. And I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below. And also today, don't forget to go and check out Inbox Dollars because on Inbox Dollars today, we have new free printable coupons, and Inbox Dollars will actually pay you to print off those coupons, and then they're going to pay you again to use them in the store. So definitely go and check them out. If you're not already signed up, I do have a referral link, which is going to be linked in the pinned comment down below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free $5 sign-up bonus. Alright, so before we get into the coupons, as always, I recommend that y'all sign in through the website on Sundays to clip your new digital coupons to your account because all of the digital coupons will show up all at once versus when you use the DG app, you kind of have to keep refreshing the page, and it is possible to miss clipping coupons that are available. Alright guys, so jumping right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. First up, we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon for the Downy and Wash Scent Boosters. Those are priced at $10.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Now, you will see a lower value coupon for 2-off-1 as we go through these new coupons. It does include the scent boosters and the fabric softener, the large bottles of Downy liquid fabric softener. So just keep that in mind when you're shopping, and I'll mention that once we get to the coupon and point that out again for y'all. So next up, we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. This is on the Colgate Cavity Protection, Baking Soda and Peroxide, Deep Clean, and Triple Action. These are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. We have a 1-off-1 for the Sparkle Paper Towels, 6 count. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a 1-off-2 for the Huggies Wipes. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 for the Colgate toothpaste. So this is working on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.85 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85, but this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Colgate Junior Kids toothpaste priced at just $1. So after that coupon, that is going to make it completely free. Next up, we have a 1-off-2 digital coupon for the for the Clorox cleaning and laundry products. So the lowest priced item that this coupon is working on is the toilet bowl cleaners. Those are priced at $2.50. So pick up 2 of those. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $4 for 2. We have a 50 cents off 2 for the M&M's share size bags. We have a 1-off-1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent or scent boosters or the packs. So keep in mind, we do still have that higher value coupon of $1.50 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry packs. So if you haven't used that one yet, I would use that one first before you clip this one to your account, unless you just plan on picking up 2 Arm & Hammer products. Either way y'all want to do it, just telling y'all the information. So this 1-off-1 digital coupon does work on the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, the packs, or the scent boosters. They're priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. I think I'm going to hold off and use that 150 off 1 coupon first though. Next up, we have a 150 off 1 for the Airwick Scented Oil Twin Refills. These are priced at $5.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. But we still have that buy one, get one free coupon on the Airwick products. So if you haven't used that one yet, I would save this one for later. Go ahead and use that buy one, get one free. That's a higher value coupon. Use that one first. Next up, we have 50 cents off 1 for the Pine Sol cleaners. Y'all pay attention to the sizes on those bottles because there are some that are a larger bottle and you're paying the exact same price. So these are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 for the Colgate toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the Max White toothbrush, those are priced at $2.70. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.70. There's also a Max White toothbrush priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Sent off one digital coupon for the Dum Dums Suckers. Those are priced at $2.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. We have a one-off one for the Colgate mouthwash. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a one-off one for the Angel Soft Ultra Bath Tissue 6 Mega Rolls. Those are priced at $5.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. And I'm going to post a deal in the community tab once I get this video uploaded. The Angel Soft Bath Tissue are on sale right now too for $11. We do have 2 coupons that will work on the specific Angel Soft that is on sale right now, but one of them does expire today. So I will be posting a today only deal in the community tab. So y'all be on the lookout for that. We have some Gerber snacks. We have one-off one for the Irish Spring Body Wash. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Here's another one-off one for the Angel Soft Bath Tissue. Again, those are priced at $5.95. So after the coupon, that would make it $4.95. We have 50 cents off for the Raid products. 3 off one for the pull-ups. Those are priced at $11.50, so after the coupon, that is going to leave you paying $8.50. We have 2 off one for the Huggies. Those start out at $9.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. We have Gerber Teethers, a one-off one for the Airwick Essential Mist Refills. Those are also priced at $5.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We have 50 cents for the off products. One off one for the Haagen-Dazs ice creams. So those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. One off one for the extra laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5.30. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.30. 3 off one for the L'Oreal Paris skincare products. So there's a couple of different moisturizers y'all can choose from. They're priced at $10. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $7. We have Lotrimin Pedigree. One off one for the Rexall vitamins. So if you want to pick up the Biotin 60 count, those are priced at $2.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.60. We have this buy one, get one free DG store coupon on the Fabuloso. So you have to buy one of the Fabuloso all-purpose cleaners and you're going to get the wipes for free. So that's going to leave you paying $3.35 for 2. So not a bad deal there. We have this DG store coupon for $1 off any Febreze 2-count car clips. It says redeemable on Saturday only, but I was not pulling up anything in the app or getting it to attach to the car clips on Saturday, so not sure what's going on with that coupon, but we'll see if they get it fixed eventually. Next up, we have save $2 when you buy $7 worth of the Kit Kat or Payday candies. So there's different ones that y'all can pick up with this coupon. They start out at $1 each on the single bars of candy. All right, next up, one off 2 for the Gain dish soap. This is going to be a really good deal this week. These are on sale, 2 for $4 this week. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. We have 25 cents off for the Charmin toilet paper. If you want to pick up the Charmin Essentials 12 count, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We have one off one for the Febreze products. Those start out at $3 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have 25 cents off one for the Bounty paper towels. So this one is actually working on a new product that I haven't seen. We have the Bounty Essential 2-count paper towels. Those are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. You can also pick up the Bounty Essential 6-count. Those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you'd pay $5.25. All right, we have Dawn Power Wash. We have 50 cents off one for the Tide Simply laundry detergents. 3 off one for the Gain Flings, Fireworks, or the liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Here's that 2 off 1 Downy coupon that I was telling y'all about at the beginning of the video. So this also works on the Downy scent beads, but it also works on the liquid fabric softener, the large bottles. So it just depends on what you all want to pick up. If you want to pick up the scent beads only, I would just clip that 3 off 1 coupon and take advantage of that higher value one. I'm going to go ahead and clip this one just to have it on my account. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Swiffer products. These start out at $5 with the Swiffer dusters and the mopping cloths at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have 50 cents off for the Crest mouthwash. These are priced at, well, they start out at $4.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. That's on the 1 liter bottles. But this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the Crest travel-sized mouthwash that are priced at $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Febreze Unstoppables. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have a 1 off 2 for the Olay bar soap, body wash, rinse off body conditioner, liquid hand soaps. This is attaching to the body wash. Those are priced at $6.75, so pretty pricey. Not really worth it in my book, but this coupon is glitching. And this is a glitch that we haven't seen in a while. We used to get it quite often, but it is back. This coupon is working on the 2-count Olay bar soaps. Those are priced at $2.85. So pick up 2, use this coupon. You're going to pay $4.70 for 2. All right, Colgate toothpaste. These start out at $3 each. So pick up 1 of those. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $2. We have 1 off 1 for the Cascade Action Packs. Now, these are priced at $10.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. On some accounts, on the second account that I checked this morning, I received a 3 off 1 for the Cascade Action Packs. So y'all check your accounts before you clip this 1 off 1 because there is a higher value coupon floating around out there. I'm not sure if I received it on this account that we're looking at right now, but we'll find out here in a minute, won't we? All right, moving on down, we have a 3 off 1 for the Gillette razors or refills. This works on the Mach 3 razors. These are priced at $7.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.65. I usually hold off on clipping these 3 off 1s because typically within a few days, they also give us a 4 off 1. So I usually hold off on clipping that one to see if that 4 off 1 pops up. All right, next up, 1 off 1 for the Pantene products. 50 cents off 1 for the Fix-It-Int, 2 off 2 for the Herbal Essences. All right, next up, we have 2 coupons for Old Spice products. So the body wash, the dry spray, and the body sprays. These are both 3 off 1 digital coupons. So awesome high value coupons. If you want to pick up the body washes, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. And I think the dry sprays were not far behind it. I think those were priced at $5.50. So either way, whichever product you want to pick up, this is a great deal this week. All right, moving on down, we have a 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrient Blends. These are priced at $7 each, so pick up 2, use the coupon. You're going to pay $9 for 2. This coupon also works on the Pantene Daily 3-Minute Masks. Those are priced at $5 each, so pick up 2. That's going to put you at $10. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $5 for 2. And it does look like we have an instant savings for when you purchase 2, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register on the 3-minute masks. So with this coupon and the instant savings, that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, which is an amazing deal. Okay. Moving on down, we have 1 off 2 for the Secret deodorant. 1 off 1 for the Gillette deodorant, 2 off 1 for the Secret Clinical deodorant, 1 off 1 for the Olay facial moisturizer, 1 off 2 for the Gillette deodorants, 1 off 1 for the Oral-B Special Care Oral Rinse. We have 3 off 1 for the Tide laundry detergents. So these are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. 3 off 1 for the Venus razors. These are priced at $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. Here's one for a 3 off 1 Old Spice Gentleman's Blend deodorant and the body wash. So it says that you have to purchase 2, but it is just working when you pick up 2 of the deodorants. That's the only thing that I'm pulling up in the app for Old Spice Gentleman's products. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Old Spice Gentleman's deodorants, those are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. I apologize for my voice, guys. I'm still recovering from a very sore throat. All right, moving on down, we have 3 off 1 for the Super Pack of Pampers, 2 off 1 for the Pampers Easy Ups, $1.50 off 1 for the Jumbo Bag of Pampers, 25 cents off for the Pampers Sweet Dreams wipes. 2 off 1 for the Love's diapers. Those start out at $7.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.50. 3 off 1 for the Pampers Swaddlers. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Caesars dog food bowl, so those are priced at $1.80, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.30. We have 1 off 1 for the Neutrogena wipes. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. We have 2 off 1 for the Neutrogena cleansers. Those are priced at $4.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.25. And we have a 3 off 1 for the Neutrogena moisturizer. So this coupon is glitching. It is working on the trial size. Those are priced at $8.35, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.35. Alright guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons so far. Don't forget to check out the pinned comment down below where I'm going to have the DG ad preview and PNG insert preview and giveaway video linked down there, plus the link to Inbox Dollar so that you guys can go and print off those free printable coupons. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I'll have the good deals and glitch list video coming up here shortly. So make sure that you are subscribed. Turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Hit that thumbs up button for me on your way out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how y'all are doing this weekend, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.